So the Amazon Freedom Day sale is right here, and this would be the best chance for you to grab yourself some car gadgets, some accessories, some dash cams, and pretty much any of the tech stuff. Because the kind of discounts, the kind of extra credit card offers which you're going to get in this particular time, you're not going to get it in any other regular days. So make sure you buy all the tech stuff, make sure you buy all the car gadgets right now in this upcoming Freedom sale. And in order to help you in deciding the right gadget, the right dash cam for your car, you should watch the series of videos that's going to be popping up on the Gizmobeep channel. And just in case if you're interested in taking a look at some of the amazing car gadgets, you can just find the links to all those right down below in the description, along with some really cool Starviz 2 dash cams as well. So all the purchase links are provided in the description of this video, and of course, following this video, I'll be bringing up a series of other videos which can also help you in deciding the perfect gadget, the perfect dashcam for you. So welcoming you all to Gizmobeep videos on this upcoming Freedom Day sale. Make the most use out of this. See you in the next videos.